Just a few feet from our kitchen window, we have a couple of bird feeders of nuts and fat balls. These most commonly attract sparrows, tits, and sometimes a robin too. I enjoy a bit of wildlife photography, and if I'm very still, I can zoom in and capture them close up. Back in December, I was amazed to see what I first thought was a large mouse, but it turned out to be a small rat. We've had a rodent here once before, this squirrel. We've since replaced the nut feeder with a squirrel-proof one. The rat was making its entrance the same way. So I continued filming for a few minutes, then dashed outside and scared it off. Looking around, I could see no evidence of a nest anywhere. When I showed my wife the images, she screamed and jumped up on a chair. No, not really. And obviously, we removed it, and now we just have a peanut feeder there. And fortunately, the rat never returned. And this starling is one species we definitely don't want back, as they can strip these fat balls in no time at all, and cost us a fortune too.